from previous years. In a celebration of craftsmanship and creativity, the two-day Crafts Bazaar 2024 commenced today at the Nift Shillong campus, Sauli. The event showcased handmade crafts from various corners of the Northeast, providing a platform for artisans to display and sell their unique creations. Padma Shri awardee Silbi Pasa, Shankar Kumar Jha, Director Nift, and notable dignitaries marked the inauguration. In her address, Silbi Pasa expressed the significance of unity in diversity. She further added that the Crafts Bazaar serves as a melting pot of cultures, fostering collaboration and appreciation for the rich heritage of the Northeast.
A unique expression of human creativity and skill. Each piece tells a story of the artisan who crafted it, the culture that inspired it, and the traditions that have been passed down through the generation, whether it's a hand-woven craft, a piece of pottery, or a delicate piece of embroidery,